Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to make a quick and easy dish for you all to make when you're tired and you come home and you want something delicious. Then this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Honey mustard chicken. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Salt, black pepper, thyme, rosemary, olive oil, honey, Dijon mustard, and the chicken thighs. I washed them in lemon juice and rinsed them in cold water several times. Now, this is what we do. I have a bowl here, and we take the Dijon mustard, the honey, the rosemary, the thyme. You can use fresh rosemary or fresh thyme also. I'm using dry. The garlic. Now to the bowl, I already add the minced garlic, the Dijon mustard, the honey, the rosemary, and the thyme. Now we're going to add the oil, the olive oil, to the bowl. Now we mix this up. And we got a baking dish here, and we're going to put the chicken in the baking dish. We added the honey mustard mixture to the chicken thighs. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. But now we're going to add some salt, some black pepper, then we're going to turn them over and make sure all the sides of the chicken thighs get coated in the honey mustard mixture. Then we're going to pop it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes, and I have my oven set to 375. There. Here you have it. Honey mustard chicken. A quick and easy dish to make. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And also check out some of my older videos on the screen below. Also check out Hot on the Spot food reviews with my son. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.